Okay, hi you all. As you can see on the title, we are making churros today. So this will be my first time making it, but I already know we're gonna do good because I did good the first time I made my banana pudding. So we got all our ingredients, which is the Cool Whip. You need some cinnamon, you need some sugar, eggs, flour, vanilla, butter, and canola oil or vegetable oil, it doesn't matter. Okay, so I'm about to show you, and all the ingredients, how much I put in will be located in the description box below, and we are about to get started.
So we're starting off with 1 cup of water, and we're gonna let that simmer, and then we're gonna add in our butter. I would just say I round this up to almost like a full stick of butter, but I wouldn't say the entire thing, so maybe just like 75% of it. And then we're gonna go ahead and add our sugar. Next we're adding 1 teaspoon of salt, and then we're gonna mix that all together. We're gonna turn our fire down, and while that's simmering, we're gonna go ahead and get our flour together. Now I'm using this strainer because it's gonna help it get finer, so when I start stirring it, it won't be as thick. So we're putting that all together, and we're getting 1 cup of flour. I'm not making a lot, just enough for just me and a few people. Now, if you need a bigger party, you'll double the ingredients, but I'm only using 1 cup of flour because we're only gonna make a small batch. I accidentally forgot to show in this video, but I did add vanilla and cinnamon to the mix while it was boiling. This is an option you can do while it's boiling or after, but I suggest you just go ahead and get all the flavors going while it's hot. I'm now adding 2 eggs to the mix. They're already pre-scrambled, and then we're gonna just stir that until it gets like extremely smooth. Now you can either let it freeze for about 30-40 minutes, or you can just go ahead and throw it right in a batch. Now the option is yours. It just depends on when you need the dessert to be ready. Got these tips bags at Walmart for about $5, and you can also buy a tip, but at the Walmart I was at, they only had the bags like this. So you get it all together, and you get some fresh canola oil, and you let that simmer. Next, you just want to throw a small piece in just to test and see if it floats right up, to see if your oil is hot enough. And if so, you proceed and add the rest of your batch. Now it doesn't take long to cook. These only go about maybe 3 to 5 minutes, and you want to keep an eye on everything and let them rotate them throughout the process. So while they're cooking, we're gonna make our cinnamon sugar, and all you do is add sugar and cinnamon, and then you mix that all together. Once you take your churros out of the grease, make sure you drain some of the grease that are on your churros, and then you may go ahead and drop them in your cinnamon sugar and apply as much as you would like.
All right, and so we're just gonna try one.
And this is how you make a churro, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and until later, you guys. Bye.